My eyes have always been hooded, kind of overhung eyelids. I never thought I would do this until this opportunity came up. Every time I look in the mirror, I think, I look like a sad puppy dog. I didn't feel my age. I didn't want to look my age, but it was more than the age. It was just that I looked like a tired, sad puppy dog. And I was tired of that. And I thought if he can fix that and make me look awake and happy and alive and not so sad, I would be ecstatic. We had a great support system for each other. And actually, when we first started talking about it, I was thinking, I'm not going to do that. They're crazy. But I'll go along and find out about it. And before you knew it, I was hooked.
What do you think about day 3 and how you think your recovery is? How do you think you're looking? Do you have any concerns?
Well, I think I look like somebody just punched me in the eyes.
You fixed me all fancy.
But I kind of expected that on day 3. I think they're healing okay. I'm hoping the discoloration under my eyes and the rough skin and everything gets better. By the time I have to go back to work Tuesday, that'll be a week. And the swelling on my upper eyelids goes down some more. But the other thing is, I still am having issues with blurred vision, and I'm not sure why I'm still having such blurry vision.
And is that up close or far away?
More up close, but I mean, kind of both.
Okay. Okay. I think you look awesome.
And this funny looking yellow stuff here,
okay,
I'm hoping that just
goes away.
I don't think I would have ever done it if it hadn't been for doing it with them. I think that really sealed the deal, that we were all there for each other. We were all there to support each other and talk about, how's it going? What are you thinking? What are you worried about? We actually took a trip right after our surgery. We all went down to Florida, and we didn't care that we were out on the beach. We wore our sunglasses and our floppy brimmed hats, and it was just very encouraging and supportive to be going through it with somebody else and not feel like you're on your own.
So this is day 11 after my upper and lower blepharoplasty. Just got out of the shower, so don't look great, but this is where we're at. I still have a little concerns for the upper left eye, where it seems like the incision is not coming together. Incisions under the eye are almost gone. Still a little puffiness, a little discoloration from the laser under the eye. But I'll show you in a minute what it looks like with makeup.
The recovery aspect was easier than I anticipated. Only took a few days off work. We were back to work within a week. Nobody really noticed anything when we went back. So it was much easier than I anticipated it being.
Okay, here I am 11 days out with a little bit of makeup on, not a whole lot. I don't want to get too crazy with makeup on the fresh scars. There's still that little separation on my upper left lid that I'm concerned about. It will wind up in the crease, I'm sure, but hoping it does a little bit better. I never thought I'd look this good after only 11 days, so I'm really happy about that. They keep saying they'll get better and better. I know scars take a long time to heal, months. So I'm being patient, and I'll keep you posted, but so far I'm happy.
I was mostly afraid of scarring. But once I came in, I met with Dr. Mendelsohn, and he was very reassuring about how well eyes healed, and he didn't think that I would have issues with scarring, and for some reason I trusted him, and I'm glad I did, because I really don't have any issues with scarring, and I'm very happy I had it done. I did have my lower eyes done as well. These other girls just had their upper eyes. That was a little dramatic because I think that of all of the healing and everything, that was probably the part that looked the worst right afterwards and the scariest and took the longest to initially get better. They kept telling me I looked okay, and now they say, oh, you were really scary looking.